Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on July 10th. However, numerous leaks and dummy units regarding the upcoming Z Fold 6 have already made their way to social media platforms. Here are 10 of the biggest changes coming to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. 1. Design. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 will look significantly different from their predecessors, confirming a flat-frame design approach similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. External screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 6's external screen width is 60.2 millimeters, compared to the Fold 5's 57.4 millimeters. This means the Fold 6 has a bigger cover screen, boasting a 6.3-inch OLED cover screen. 3 colors. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be available in pink, dark navy blue, and silver colors. 4. Weight. Weighing in at 239 grams, the Fold 6 is 14 grams lighter than its predecessor. 5. Camera. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to get a new 50-megapixel sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with up to 3x optical zoom at the back. Additionally, it features a 10-megapixel cover display front camera and a 4-megapixel under-display camera. 6. Processor and RAM. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, 12 GB of RAM, and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. 7. Software. The phone will ship with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14 out of the box. It will also feature Galaxy AI-infused software like the Galaxy S24 series. 8. Updates. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 will get 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates, similar to the Galaxy S24 series. 9. Durability. It has an IP68 rating for dust and splash resistance, as well as Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. 10. Battery. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with a 4,400 mAh battery and supports 25-watt wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.